Hello, one of the most common biology essay questions asked is the adaptations of the ileum to its functions. I will use this question to demonstrate how to answer this and other essay questions. First things first, what is the primary job of the ileum? It is the final site of digestion and the main site for the absorption of digested food. To do this efficiently, it needs a lot of room. So, our first set of adaptations is all about maximizing surface area. If you are writing this essay, you must highlight these three structural features. 1. It is extremely long and coiled. The ileum in humans is several meters long. Being long and coiled provides a large surface area and gives food more time to be completely digested and absorbed as it moves along. 2. The inner lining is highly folded. The inner wall isn't smooth. It has folds that significantly increase the surface area for absorption. 3. Presence of villi and microvilli. The folds are covered in millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi. And on those villi, the epithelial cells have microscopic projections called microvilli. This creates a massive surface area, ensuring no nutrients go to waste. Now, the examiner loves to zoom into a single villus. If you want to score full marks, you must describe the internal structure of the villus and how it works. 4. Thin epithelium. The wall of the villus is only one cell thick. This provides a very short diffusion distance, allowing nutrients like glucose and amino acids to pass through rapidly into the bloodstream. 5. Dense network of blood capillaries. Inside each villus, there is a rich network of blood capillaries. This rapid blood flow continuously carries away absorbed food, glucose, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, maintaining a steep concentration gradient for rapid diffusion. 6. Presence of a lacteal. Right down the center of each villus is a lymphatic vessel called a lacteal. This is specially adapted to absorb fatty acids and glycerol, which are too large to go straight into the capillaries. 7. Mucus-secreting goblet cells. The lining contains goblet cells that secrete mucus. This mucus acts as a lubricant to prevent friction as undigested food passes through, and protects the ileum wall from enzymatic self-digestion. We've talked about absorption, but remember the ileum also completes digestion. Here are the final critical points for your essay. 8. Presence of enzymes in the intestinal juice, succus entericus. The walls of the ileum secrete enzymes like maltase, sucrase, lactase, and peptidases. These perform the final breakdown of food into absorbable units, like turning maltose to glucose. 9. Numerous mitochondria in epithelial cells. Absorption isn't always passive. Sometimes, the body needs to pull in nutrients against the concentration gradient via active transport. The epithelial cells contain a large number of mitochondria to generate the ATP energy required for this process. 10. Highly vascularized outer wall. The entire ileum has a heavy blood supply to transport the massive amounts of absorbed food away to the liver via the hepatic portal vein. Here is the golden rule for this essay. Never state a structure without stating its function. Don't just say, it has a thin epithelium. Say, it has a thin epithelium which is one cell thick to reduce the diffusion distance for faster absorption of nutrients. Structure plus function equals maximum points. Rewrite these points down, draw a simple diagram of a villus, and practice explaining it to your deskmate. You have the brain power, you have the strategy, now go out there and conquer your biology papers. If this breakdown made your revision easier, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment on which essay topic we should crush next, and share this with your classmate. All the best as you continue learning with us, and see you in the next video.